Welcome to the gold standard of luxury touring vans. As we walk up to this 2024 Pleasure-Way Plateau XLTS, the first thing you notice is the brilliant silver metallic finish, which has been professionally ceramic coated to ensure a long-lasting, deep gloss that is incredibly easy to maintain. Stepping into the cab, you are greeted by the ultimate driving experience. This chassis features the 208-horsepower turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth, 9-speed automatic transmission. The cockpit is loaded with the Mercedes Advanced Safety Suite, including active lane keeping assist and Distronic adaptive cruise control. The 10-inch multimedia touchscreen provides crystal-clear navigation and a high-definition rear camera view. To maximize your living space, both the driver and passenger power-heated seats swivel around to join the main cabin. Moving into the interior, the modern elegance of the white smoke cabinetry and Flint decor is immediately apparent. This layout is designed for comfort and functionality, featuring a power sofa with memory foam cushions that effortlessly converts into a massive 75 by 74-inch queen bed. Every detail feels high-end, from the radius cabinetry with soft close hardware to the Lagoon table system that adjusts for dining or work. What truly sets this XLTS apart is the industry-leading energy system. You are looking at a 600 amp-hour lithium battery bank supported by 500 watts of roof-mounted solar and a 3,000-watt inverter. This massive power system allows you to run the ultra-quiet Truma Aventa air conditioner directly from the batteries, providing a silent, generator-free camping experience. You can monitor everything via the dual 10-inch touchscreen control panels. The galley is a chef's dream for a Class B, featuring an induction cooktop, a 5.3 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator and freezer, and beautiful Korean solid surface countertops. And here is one of the most sought-after features in this model: a private dry bathroom. Unlike most vans with a wet bath, this has an enclosed Korean-lined shower, a ceramic bowl toilet, and a vanity, all serviced by the Truma AquaGo on-demand water heater for endless hot showers. Now, let's head back outside to see the upgrades that make this coach a true standout. Underneath, this van has been enhanced with front and rear SumoSprings and upgraded SuperSteer rear shocks, significantly reducing body roll and improving stability in crosswinds. The windows have been treated with ceramic tint to reduce heat and UV exposure, while a tire minder system keeps a constant watch on your tire pressure and temperature. For outdoor living, you have a power awning with LED lighting and a wind sensor for auto retraction. This coach is being offered as a completely turnkey package, meaning it comes loaded with essential camping accessories and even includes a Blackstone griddle for your outdoor kitchen. At 22 feet, 9 inches long, it fits into almost any parking space while providing 20 cubic feet of exterior storage. This is a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 widebody, giving you extra stability and interior room while remaining exceptionally easy to drive. The 2024 Pleasure-Way Plateau XLTS is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and off-grid capability, backed by a 5-year warranty. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.